How to Change Your Life. Chapter 1. The Lost Path. Ravi was a 22-year-old man from a small village. Every day felt the same. He woke up, looked in the mirror, and asked himself, "Is this really my life?" He had no job, no goals, and no confidence. His parents worked hard in the fields, but Ravi often stayed home. He didn't know what to do. People in the village whispered behind his back, "He's useless." He wasted his time in school. One day, he saw a group of school children walking to class. One of them dropped a notebook. Ravi picked it up and saw a line written inside. "Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change." That sentence hit his heart. He read it again and again. That night, Ravi couldn't sleep. He sat on the roof and stared at the stars. "What if I change my life?" he whispered. Chapter 2. A Small Step. The next morning, Ravi made a decision. He would change one thing, his English. He went to the village library and asked the librarian, "Can I borrow an English book?" The old man smiled. "Of course, Ravi. Every big journey begins with a small step." Ravi studied every day. He learned simple phrases like, "I believe in myself." Practice makes perfect. Don't give up. He practiced in front of the mirror and started watching English videos on YouTube. At first, he didn't understand much, but he didn't stop. "One word a day is better than no word at all," he told himself. His confidence started to grow. He began writing a journal in English. Every day he wrote about his thoughts, even if they were simple. "Today I studied a new word. I feel happy." Chapter 3. Facing Doubt. Not everyone supported him. One neighbor said, "You think learning English will change your life?" Ravi smiled. "Yes, I believe it will." He kept studying. He wrote down words like opportunity, a good chance for progress journey, the path of life, success. When you reach your goal, sometimes he failed. He forgot words or couldn't pronounce them. But he remembered his favorite phrase, "Fall 7 times, stand up 8. One day, he met a young teacher from the city who came to visit the village. "You speak good English," she said. "Thank you. I'm still learning," he replied. The teacher told him about an online course. Ravi saved money from small jobs and enrolled. He used mobile data carefully to attend classes. He woke up early and studied late. It wasn't easy, but he felt alive. His parents began to notice the change. His mother said, "You look different. You smile more." Ravi replied, "I feel like I'm doing something right." Chapter 4. The Turning Point. Months passed. Ravi spoke better, read more books, and even helped children in the village learn English. His parents noticed the change. His father said, "I'm proud of you, son." Then something amazing happened. Ravi got an email. He had been selected to work as a translator in the city. His heart was full of joy. He packed his bag, hugged his parents, and said, "I will make you proud. This is only the beginning." In the city, life was not easy, but Ravi worked hard. He used phrases like, "Let's work together," "I'll do my best," "Thank you for the opportunity." He made friends, learned fast, and earned respect. His English improved every day. He faced new challenges. Sometimes people laughed at his accent, but he kept going. He reminded himself, "Your accent is a sign of your courage." He joined an evening class to improve his pronunciation. He read books, watched English films, and listened to podcasts. Every day, he learned something new. Soon, he was not only speaking well, he was inspiring others. Chapter 5. A New Life Begins. A year later, Ravi stood in front of a classroom of young students. He was now an English teacher. He looked at them and said, "If I can change my life, you can too." He wrote on the board, "Your future depends on what you do today." Ravi never forgot the notebook he found, the doubt he faced, or the nights he cried. But most of all, he never forgot the power of one small decision. And with that, his life changed forever. Every morning, he woke up and looked in the mirror with a smile. "Yes," he said, "this is my life, and I'm proud of it." He still studied, still taught, and still believed that every person had the power to rise above their past. And in the hearts of his students, he planted one powerful sentence: "Change begins with you."